In this video, we're going to look at how to use Google Keep to create notes and reminders. Google Keep is part of the Google Suite, and then you can use it along with your Gmail without having to create a new account. The first thing you'll do is log into your Gmail by going to gmail.com, and on the right-hand side, you will have a menu with the rest of your Google apps. You'll scroll down until you find Keep, and then you'll click on that. This will take you to the Google Keep page. As you can tell, it's blank since we have not created any notes yet. This is a great way to keep track of your notes and reminders that you may have, and it will save onto your Google Cloud as well. So you can transfer it to all of your smart devices as long as you have the application installed on them. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a note. Notice that it says take a note. What we'll do is we'll give the note a title, and we're making a groceries note, so we'll title it groceries. And underneath we will list the items that we need to get. We'll type in shampoo, milk, salad, and bread. Once you're done, you can click close and that will create the note for you. You can access different editing tools for your notes by clicking on the three dots. One of the options is show checkboxes, and this will add some boxes that you can check off once you're done with the things on your list. You can also change the color of the note by clicking on the paint icon and just choosing a color that you want to set it to. You can set reminders on your note by clicking on the bell icon, and it will send you a reminder when it's time. You can set it for a specific date and also change the time on it. You can also add collaborators that will have access to your note. You'll insert their email, and that will give them the ability to edit and add onto your note. It won't add this person to all of your notes. Each one is controlled individually. This is the paint icon, like I said, where you can change your colors. And right here is where you can add an image to the note. We'll come back to that for another note, but it will bring up a pop-up window where you can choose the image that you want to use. This icon is to archive your notes. It'll be saved onto your archives on the left over here. Let's create a new note for an appointment. We will say it's a dentist appointment for Bobby. So we will call it appointment and then list the description of the appointment underneath, and then we'll hit close, and that will create the note. We'll color code it blue, and now I want to add an image to this note. You click on the image icon, and that will bring up the pop-up window for your File Explorer, and this is where you will choose the picture that you want to add. I'm going to go to My Images and select this dentist picture over here. And it will be added to the note as a picture. So it's just a fun feature that you can use for your notes. After that, you can also add a label to your notes by clicking on your options and label this one under appointments. You'll create a label called appointments, and it will group every note that you label appointments under that section. It'll appear on the bottom of the note as well as on the left-hand side menu. You can edit your labels, you can delete them, or you can change their names. You can also, from here, create new labels as well, and you will see them all on the left. So here we're going to create a few different labels: appointments, groceries, and to-do, and they'll all appear on the left-hand side of your menu. To name this note, we're going to go into our options and click Add Label, and then we're just going to group it under Groceries, and that will appear on the bottom of the note. Under your options, you can also click Copy to Google Docs, and this will copy your note as a Google Docs document. If you click on Open Doc, it will open a new window where you can see the note. It will load the note as a document inside your Google Docs and will be synced to all of your devices. Another option is Make a Copy. If you want to create the same type of note with new information, you can do that. To delete your note, click on your options and hit Delete Note, and that will send them to your trash. You can access your trash on the left-hand side. On the left side menu, you can see your reminders. So all of the notes that have reminders will be listed there. You can see all of your labels and the different notes that you have selected to be part of those labels. You can see your archives and your trash listed on the left. If you want to archive a note, you will just click on the archive icon and it will send it to the archive section on the left. From there, you can also delete a note and send it to the trash. And from trash, you can empty the trash or it will just be deleted after 7 days. These are all the basic steps that you need to learn to create notes and reminders on Google Keep. I hope that you find it useful and that you use this great tool to keep track of your notes and reminders.